Say you love me forever. Say that you'll be mine.
And these are the sweet pepper, the long ones, which are going to stuff with my special recipe. And you're going to love it. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So here's some of the primary ingredients I want to introduce to you. I'm going to introduce you just some. Look at this pepper. They're sweet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them here, and I'm going to clean them up. Cannot create a canoe. I'm going to do both. Once again, they're sweet. Farmers market. The ground beef is going to be key. This one I also bought a farm in Charlottesville. This is ground beef. I might not be using all. Other things you have to keep in mind, some onions. You're going to need some garlic. You're going to need basil, mint. If you want to, you can have some rosemary and thyme, definitely salt, extra virgin olive oil. I'm going with the Spanish one. I have here some pine nuts. I think I'm going to roast them. I have about a cup of brown rice, which I cooked already. See how beautiful? And I have some salsa that I homemade the other day. Link in my description. Sea salt. And I might have a couple other ingredients, but this is the basic ones that you're going to need. And this is what I mean with the canoe. Cut it around. I use my outdoor knife for this, but you can use any knife. Clean this stuff, and the seeds I'm going to do with this and with this one, because I'm going to cook both.
Cause on this day on treasure, could it be like this for the rest of our lives? I'll choose you.
So I have a cast iron griddle, which I'm going to put in the oven. And it's going to be at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to use a parchment paper for now for this part of the process. And what I'm going to do, after I reheat this oven, is you're going to use some extra virgin olive oil. And you're going to get this baby brush up. Put some here in the paper. And you're going to apply this baby throughout the entire pepper, including the paper. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 12 minutes. So I have the meat here as my peppers continue in the oven, 400 degrees, they're still cooking there. I'm going to start getting ready with the meat. I have a couple of teeth of garlic, and I'm going to mince this baby. I'm going to add some onions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some rice. That rice that I cooked earlier, brown rice. And I'm going to mix both things together for now. Mix it well, the meat and the rice. I'm going to add a little bit of Italian parsley. It's about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. It's depending on the amount you're going to cook. I'm going to add some mint. Pine nuts roasted. And I'm going to add some sea salt. And what I'm going to do again, I'm going to mix this baby well mixed. You want everything mixed. I still have the basils, and I still have other ingredients like the thyme. Just put a little bit of the thyme, fresh. These are aromatics. And you're going to mix things. Oh my God, this smells good. You're mixing the stuff up. See how well mixed I have it? And now what you're going to do is get your salsa, and you put a little bit of that salsa here. See the salsa, how nice it looks? This is salsa. See how nice? Put some salsa. Ooh, smells good. Link in the description on how to prepare the salsa. Huh? The link in the description. And mix things up. Look at this beauty. So I took the peppers out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to stuff these babies.
In better or worse, I'll choose you, even when it hurts. 'Cause I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place, every moment, every day. I'll choose you.
So I have some basils. I'm going to put a little bit on the top. You can put cheese if you want to. I'm not going to do cheese this time around, but you can. Mozzarella cheese, you know, the one that's shredded. You can put some on the top. I'm not going to cook these ones with cheese. Instead, I'm going to add a little bit more salsa on top. Call it salsa or tomato sauce or whatever you want to call it. And mix it out with the basil. Once again, you can put cheese too. And you're going to put these two babies back into on the cast iron. And you're going to set your temperature at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to cook this for about maybe 30 to 45 minutes. So you have to watch it. And now it's time to transfer them into the oven. Put it back in. Remember, this is a cast iron. I'm going to leave the parchment paper actually. And because I'm going to cook this for about 30 to 45 minutes. And I don't want the bottom to crack open due to the cast iron and the 325 degrees Fahrenheit. About 40 minutes later, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.
You're a little crazy, and I'm a little messed up, but I ain't got no maybes. You're my only one.